In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access WhatsApp messages on Meta Business Suite. If you need to view and manage your WhatsApp conversations inside Meta Business Suite, the process is very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to get there so you can quickly open your messages and start reviewing or responding to them. To begin, make sure you're already logged into your Meta Business Suite account and that you're in the correct business profile. This is important because if you manage more than one business account, your messages will only appear under the business that has WhatsApp connected to it. Once you're inside Meta Business Suite, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Inbox. This is the section where Meta gathers your business communications in one place. It's designed to help you manage conversations from different channels without needing to switch between separate tools. After you click Inbox, the messaging area will open and you'll be able to see the available communication tabs. Next, click on WhatsApp. This tab filters the inbox so you can specifically access your WhatsApp messages. As soon as you select it, you should see the conversations connected to your business's WhatsApp account. From there, you can open message threads, review incoming messages, and continue managing your customer communication directly from Meta Business Suite. If you don't immediately see any messages, it may simply mean there are no active WhatsApp conversations yet, or that the WhatsApp account is not currently connected to the business profile you're viewing. In that case, double check that you're in the right business account and that the WhatsApp integration has already been set up properly. A helpful tip is to use the inbox regularly if you're handling customer support or leads, since keeping everything centralized can save time and make follow-ups easier. The WhatsApp tab is especially useful when you want to focus only on those messages without distractions from other platforms. And that's it. To access WhatsApp messages on Meta Business Suite, just open Inbox and then select WhatsApp. It's a quick path, but knowing exactly where to click can make managing your business communication much smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.